Hey guys, it's Davin here at Brewbitz.com. Now, I thought I would brew up a Woodland Citra Session IPA beer kit by Festival, and I haven't thought about a product of the week this week, so I thought, let's make this beer the product of the week. So, really easy to make beer kit. It's a clone of the Oakhams Citra IPA that you can buy in the supermarkets. And really tasty, nice and citrusy. It's got a nice little malty background as well. But it's normally $29.99 on our website. Why not? Let's drop a $5 off for this week, making it $24.99, and that ends on Sunday the 16th of February. But remember to like and subscribe to all our videos on YouTube so that you can see all our other products of the week and keep up to date with our videos, and to watch us make this kit. But for now, cheers, happy brewing, and remember to use the code POTW somewhere up here for this week's product of the week to get £5 off.